So this is a very different video. This is the first time I've actually ordered my own Brazilian Samba costume. For those of you who know me, I'm a dancer, and I used to be with the Brazilian Samba dance company for years. So they always gave us the costumes just to perform in, but this is the first time that I actually purchased my own. It is a used costume, but obviously from the look of it, I could tell it was authentic from Brazil, and I'm just so excited that I have my own. We're going to be looking at all the pieces today. It came with a headpiece. Look at how elaborate. Oh my God, that is amazing. From what I can see, it wasn't used all that much. Look at how beautiful that piece. I will be adding more feathers onto this. So this basically attaches to the back and goes on the head. So I'm probably gonna add like peacock feathers or something like that. She added armbands. I don't really wear these. I never used to like wearing them. These I do like though. These are like the embellishments that go on your ankles and on your wrists. I got an amazing deal because Samba costumes usually range anywhere between $500 to $1,000 upwards, over $1,000 for crazy ones. This is the necklace part. Heavy, very well made. This is the thong part. True Samba outfits will not be using underwear. They will be using this thick material that the rest of it's made from. There will be clips at the side. And if you need to be a little more conservative and not show as much cheek, you will just put a boa, and you can just tuck the boa into the back to cover your bum. The bra part, beautiful. All Brazilian Samba costumes use a wire bra. So it's, you know, it stays put when you're dancing. This is just gorgeous. They're not supposed to be comfortable. They have to stay on while you're moving. The great thing is though, they can be, you know, I have a base now, so I can always redesign it, re-embellish it, put new beading, put new jewels on it and things like that. So it's wonderful. But this has many more uses left, obviously. It's still in such great condition. So these tie around the ankles part. So there's clips. And these can go like on the upper arm. So all of this, pretty amazing. The costume came, it's great because it's in two separate sections where the feathers can be tied onto the back. I've never seen a headpiece like that. Normally they're fixed, so it's great because I can actually add more feathers or make a whole new thing of feathers, and at least I have the shape to copy it. Such high quality, the whole thing is just really, really high quality. These are exactly constructed like the Brazilian Samba outfits that I used to wear when I was with the company. See, you've got the bottom thong, how you know it's real is it's got clips and it's made from the same material. It's not made from like just an underwear or something. You got the neck piece, and you've got the bra part, which is a wired bra like how they should be. And the wonderful thing is when this outwears, at least I have these pieces. I can always re-embellish them. Got the leg, like ankle pieces, the arm pieces, the wrist pieces. It's just amazing.